study about future jobs. She is searching the internet to find some information. She comes across a site. Yes, a lot of information about future jobs. This site looks interesting.
Are you interested in space in the future? People will go on space to space tour guide will be there to help them. The guide will explain about other space and other planets. They will also take a picture to the moon. People will walk around on the moon and take a picture. People will enjoy traveling in space.
And it's also over there. It looks really fantastic. Only interested in robots. In the future, robots will do many things for people. People use robots to clean their houses or homes. Then how can people choose good robots?
Robot counselor will know a lot about different robots. They will give information about robots to people. People will choose the right robot with their help. Each robot can teach science. Robots are intelligent and helpful today. While these future jobs look exciting, I want to find out more about future jobs.